Don't get caught using AI. How to use AI for class or work without being caught. We've all heard by now that artificial intelligence is an incredibly powerful tool that has become widely accessible. I remember when Chatgpt was first released and everyone thought that there would be no stopping it. Gone were the days of writing essays, emails, articles, and much more. Or so we thought. With breakthroughs in AI like Chatgpt came responses from companies trying to counteract it. Take GPT Zero for instance. You simply paste in a section of text and it can determine if that text was created using some type of AI or not. Now this software is not perfect and will not work 100% of the time, but it is fairly reliable or good enough to give you an idea about how a piece of writing was created. Now you might be thinking, well that's great, but how can I get past these AI detectors? I'm glad you asked. The simple answer is more AI. No, but all jokes aside, there are programs that can rewrite and rephrase AI-generated text to make it pass for human writing. Which is pretty incredible. One of these programs happens to be TextCortex, which is a program I use all the time and I truly love, but more into that later. This program has the ability to rephrase any piece of writing and the results are quite incredible. I decided to put these programs to the test and see if a simple regeneration could make a paragraph pass the AI detector. So first I had Chatgpt create a response for me, answering the prompt, write a paragraph about the role of writing in society. It spat out the following. Writing is an essential part of our lives, and its role in society cannot be overstated. From the earliest cave paintings to modern-day novels, writing has been used to communicate ideas, emotions, and stories. Writing has played a vital role in preserving history, passing down knowledge, and bringing people together. In today's world, writing is more important than ever before, as we live in an age where communication has never been more critical. The ability to write well allows us to express ourselves clearly, connect with others, and create change. Whether it's a personal blog, a social media post, or a professional report, writing is an indispensable tool that helps us communicate with the world. Writing can also play a crucial role in advocacy, activism, and social justice, giving a voice to marginalized communities and promoting equality. Therefore, writing is not just a skill, but a powerful tool that has the potential to shape our society and influence the world we live in. This is a pretty solid response, everything is grammatically and factually accurate, but let's see what GPT Zero says. Busted. Chatgpt couldn't fool the detector, but now let's try to use TextCortex and see if the results are any better. After putting the same paragraph into the rewrite feature on TextCortex, the paragraph became: Writing has a fundamental place in our lives and is incredibly important to society. From ancient cave paintings to current novels, writing has been used to express thoughts, feelings, and tales. It is essential in preserving the past, transferring information, and connecting people. As we live in a time of increased communication needs, writing is even more indispensable than before. Writing allows us to articulate our ideas effectively, build relationships with others, and initiate progress. Writing is an essential way to interact with the environment around us, whether it be in the form of a blog, social media post, or a professional document. It also has an important function in promoting justice and equality by lending a voice to those who are not heard. Therefore, writing is more than just a technique, it has the potential to shape our society and have an effect on the world. Now the moment of truth, will it pass GPT Zero? Yes, it will. It was good enough to pass as a human. Now take these results with a grain of salt. Not every AI article that is rewritten will pass as human, but this will greatly improve your chances of not getting caught and make your life a whole lot easier. I hope you enjoyed reading it. If you did, please consider following me, I really appreciate it. Trust your assignments to an essay writing service with the fastest delivery time and fully original content. Check the link in the description.